Coming up on the Album Blogger. Okay, let's go interview one of our colleagues to ask her why is it important to choose an eco-friendly product?
English?
Oh, of course. Okay, wait. Let her think. Let her think muna.
I believe.
So I just want to take you guys outside the Decathlon to show you why is it important for you to recycle and why should you also choose your eco-design products here in the store. Check this out. You're all wearing white. So yes. Hello, try the cross. Alteo's been here since 3 a.m. That's our station at Station 5, and that's the beach. This is Gido. Hi. And these guys are the ones doing not the most accessible parts of the beach.
I don't want to look at the wall. I cannot pop. It's like my baby's barf. Coca-Cola, you can get free drinks ha? They have. Kanina, if you will see this area, sobrang daming basura.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, yan. Slowly but surely. Hopefully
Before noon.
Before noon, we're done.
So you're supposed to write your data of how much trash? Like trash of different kinds of trash that you put into the bags, and you just segment it according to its class or something, and then be able to figure out what kind of trash is prevalent here in Paseco, and what companies should we be able to tell them that they should they should stop producing single-use plastics. A shell.
Really nice.
Made in Paseco.
Ano lang pala to?
I'm not picking up anything yet. If you're gonna be running a certain distance and you look around, you still see a lot of trash. Gets you thinking, how responsible are we in the Philippines? Puno na?
Oo. Dami na bad.
Dude, you have like a lot of ants. Ew.
Yan po, natapon na po yung mga basurang kinalat mo sa tamang basurahan.
Alright, let's continue our trash eco run.
Let's go.
Present day with the Album Blogger. Okay, let's interview these ladies. Hello. So what are you guys making?
Design TV.
Okay.
Chirping panorama, yes.
Very creative.
Yes. It's like the catering when you have a wedding and a birthday.
Correct. Very well done.
Thank you.
Subscribe!
I love your spirit, animal.
Thank you. Okay, so while we wait for Angelique's answer, because she's gonna eat and have her lunch, for me it's more like, since you guys saw the throwback video, it's really traumatic to see all your plastics, clothes, everything on a local level to have just, you know, thrown away or something in the landfill. And it's something that you should be able to really think about when you're choosing clothes, choosing products, or anything that can impact the earth in such a huge level, especially now that, you know, CO2, warm water, temperatures are rising. So that's my answer. It's more like it's a commitment to yourself and to be able to just save the planet in your own small way. So one of which is just to buy something that's really eco-friendly, like this one.
English pa kami.
Yeah,
Hello,
say na.
hello everyone. Thank you, Sorry, yan.
Vlog na yan.
Artista.
Okay, sige.
Style na ako sa camera, pero
Really
patuloy
turn
lang
it off or just running some errands.
Lagay natin yung facial kasi hindi marinig eh. Alright, so, okay, wait. Okay, so, hey guys, I'm just gonna ask Jepoy, one of our bloggers here on the So, did I, yeah, see. Alright, so I'm just gonna ask him a question like, why eco-friendly? Why eco-products? What's the point?
Okay. Eco product. So since the Decathlon kasi gusto niya is one of the purpose of Decathlon is to be sustainable. So as you know, most of our products are now came from recycled plastic bottles, recycled materials in general. So, yeah. So why eco? To have many more years, pleasant years, green wonderful years for our generations.
Thank you so much, Jepoy.
Hi! Taka mo na.
Paano nga? Malapit sa'yo. Okay.
Baka makalipad pa eh.
Sige,
Kasi makawala.
paano nakuha?
Lumipad sa kanya, nakita
Dito.
niya.
That's why.
Gusto talaga magaling.
Okay.
Ano ko natin sa girl.
Sige. Thank you. So yung walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie natin. Mon, come in.
Ano, nalabas na na?
Labas na yan. Labas mo na yan. Sige, go. Doon sa labas hindi yan sa ano. Iwan mo lang siya. Ano lang daw, sabi daw niya, ano lang sa, ano.
Okay,
Relax.
Hoy! Malapit na siya.
See? Huwag ka dito. Huwag ka pumasok. Ayan. That's our bird. Okay, Mr. Bird. Okay ka na. Huwag ka pumasok ha. Don't go inside. Kaka lang ha. Thank you. Well, it's not drinking water, unfortunately. Hey guys, so I just wanna show you. I was just having coffee here while Roy's doing gardening, and I thought I heard some chirping while listening to music, and well, that's a bird's nest. I'm just gonna zoom in with the camera. Hope you get to see something. Be very quiet because I can hear birds. Holy cow. I hope I captured that. It's just there. All this time we thought it's just like a bird's nest. Oh, it's moving! You can see it! Oh my god! I need to get out of here, else the mother bird will be so scared. Anyway. The thing is with Spotty, he's a bird killer. So all the birds are like pooing here and stuff. But definitely we need to get out of here so that the mother bird can go in. Say hi, Roy. And there's also another nest here, so definitely not gonna try and move it. But the nest is here. So I have two nests, one here and there. So I think the eggs just hatched. So I'm just gonna leave. We're just gonna keep this place quiet and stay out of it. Cookie.